guys, welcome back. How are you? It feels like it's been forever since I've recorded anything because I've pre-recorded, so I had a week off last week, which has been nice. Feel Unique is here. This box looks fabulous. They always bring it with the boxes. I absolutely love them, especially the different colours they're doing. It's like they're trying to work their way through the rainbow. If you're new here, hello, my name is Amy and I love all things beauty. If that's your thing too, come and join our YouTube family. Hit the subscribe button before you leave. We are a lovely bunch. So pop the kettle on, pull up a chair and let's go. Let's dive into this box. Well, the theme for this month's box, I understand, is elements. So it's to do with the planet and recycling and upcycling, which is really cool. So I do kind of get, you know, an earthy elements feel to it. LOOKFANTASTIC is a beauty website, and as part of their service really and products and things, they do a monthly beauty subscription box. I enjoy it. It's to me now it's becoming a bit like Glossy Box. It's becoming a bit hit and miss, and if you're into skincare it can tend to be skincare heavy, but I do prefer a bit more makeup in my boxes, but that's just me really. So I will put the details on how much I pay in the description box down below, because I just want to dive into this box and I'm sure you do too, and you don't want to listen to me rambling on for ages. So every month you get a beauty magazine called The Edit. There's lots of information in here, products. They do like little kind of bits and bobs, like you've got a lot of information on probiotics, which is quite cool, and it just seems really random, but I quite like that. You get a sneaky peek in the back, which I am just about to show you. So if you don't want to know what it is, close your eyes now. And there we go. It looks rather interesting. I don't think I've tried this product before, so I'm quite looking forward to it. You can open your eyes now. I will be referring to the magazine because, as always, I always come across brands and products that I've never used before. So yeah, and the sun's out. I'm in a happy mood. I've got a dress on. Oh my goodness, I've actually got a dress on. If this is too much breast, please let me know. I'm kind of not used to it and I don't want to be like flashing people. So let's just dive in. Your box comes like this, which is rather nice. Excuse the noise. I'm going to give you a cheeky sneaky peek. It seems rather jam-packed. Oh, something smells good. There we go. There's your cheeky sneaky peek. And I normally always start off with the sneak peek from last month, but I can't remember what it is. I've got a sneaky feeling. Okay, there's the word sneaky again. It's this product, the Balance Me Pre and Probiotic Cleansing Milk. That is probably why they put the section of probiotics in there. Amy, use your brain. Pop the box down. And here is what the product looks like. I'm sorry I've got my light on today because we've had to move our room around. So I'm filming from what looks like the same background, but I'm actually in a different place in the room. Everything is rather shiny. I do apologise. I will be moving it soon. Yeah, my vanity is on its way, so everything will be moving. So it's really cool. I'm so excited. I'm like a child in a sweet shop. I just can't wait. I keep tracking it every 2 minutes. So here's what it looks like. I'm not going to get it out because it's a cleanser. You know, you're not really going to be able to see anything, but I will give it a sniff and hopefully I don't squirt it all over my face. It smells fresh, but it doesn't really have a hefty fragrance to it. But let's refer to the magazine. I have used a Balance Me eye product before. I think it was an eye product. And it says it's a lightweight milky cleanser that removes all trace of pollution and SPF and even eye makeup, which is fabulous because SPF, so important. We should all be slapping it on, especially this time of year. But it can be so stubborn to remove. I find without a double cleanse, you can't get rid of it all. So it's great if it removes it. It says that it leaves your complexion calmer, clearer and brighter thanks to its signature proactive pre and probiotic complex. How on earth did I get that out? For those of you who have been with me a while, I trip over everything. My words, furniture, drop stuff. So wow, I'm amazed. Go me. It's designed to strengthen the skin's delicate microblame barrier. Ooh, okay. Whilst also gently exfoliating, so it is a sort of, you know, mild exfoliant as well. It has salicylic acid in it, which will be the exfoliant, and it has willow bark. And it says you just massage into damp skin until makeup has fully broken down, rinse with warm water and follow with your favourite moisturiser. So it's quite simple and straightforward. The next item is intriguing me. I love the way they put their little tools in here. It's great. I'm a sucker for a tool. Can't help it. And this is the Gentle Facial Buffer. I'm just going to try and get it out. It's got one of those plastic leggy things for it. There we go. Get rid of that. So yeah, we've got a nice little elastic handle on the back. It doesn't feel overly scrubby. I don't know if I'd use that on my face, but I'd certainly use it on my body, which is great. You could probably use this dry as well, as a dry body buffer. If you body brush, you might want to use it as that. It's not as harsh, I think. Did I tell you who it was from? It's from So Eco, which is cool, and I love their ethos. I love what they do. For every product, so every 100 products they sell, they plant a tree, which is absolutely fabulous. So you won't need to buy 100 of these, but they sell 100 of these, they plant a tree, which is absolutely fabulous. And this packaging is recyclable as well. Absolutely love it. And it is an there we go. See, I spoke too soon. Tripping up already. An exfoliating pad from award-winning, environmentally responsible brand So Eco. Great for all skin types, this pad helps to unclog pores and remove dead skin cells, as well as aiding in the absorption of skincare products, which is fabulous. And it says you dampen it with warm water and squeeze your favourite body wash onto the pad. Gently rub over all of your body in circular motions before rinsing with warm water. So, okay, so it's telling you how to use it on your body. Like I said, I wouldn't necessarily use this on my face. I think that might be a bit scrubby for me. But if you did want to use it on your face, instead of popping your body wash on it, pop your cleanser on it. Yeah, might be a good idea. And there was that product. I think, how many is in here today? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 in here. Oh, I do like this brand, but I've not used very much of it. This is the Rituals, and it's the Ritual of Jing. And it's a mild body scrub. Stunning packaging. Rituals, their products, they're very heavily fragranced, but they smell so nice. So let's give this a bit of a sniff. I'm not going to scrub it because it's a body scrub. Oh, that's what I could smell in the box. Now, what does that remind me of? That's marzipan. Yeah, that reminds me of marzipan. I absolutely love marzipan. I'm currently healthily eating. I've lost 12 pounds. Yay! I'm getting there. My partner bought me a block of marzipan. It's actually in the cupboard. Absolutely love it. Rituals, like I said, I really enjoyed the product that I used before, which is a nice hand cream. This smells absolutely stunning, and I love a body scrub. So I'm really looking forward to trying that one out. And it says it's an exfoliating body scrub composed of ultra-fine bamboo particles and a cream base that removes dead skin cells whilst giving you the most relaxing bathing experience, formulated with active ingredients that are suitable for even the most sensitive skin areas such as the neck and cleavage. There we go. See, I must have known. Yeah, sorry, flashing a bit more there. It has Sacred Lotus, Jujube, I think I've pronounced that correctly, shea butter and coconut oil. And it says massage into damp skin in circular motions before rinsing with warm water. Follow with moisturiser for extra smoothness. So yeah, and it's going to be great if you're sort of tanning now, where it's that kind of time of year where we sort of tend to go heavier with the tan. Do it the day before you do your tan. Yeah, absolutely lovely. And like I said, it smells like marzipan, which is absolutely gorgeous. The next item we have, oh, we got a hair product. They're kind of giving us everything this month. I'm really, really pleased. It's the Lipp Kingsley Styling Finishing Touch Polishing Serum. Okay, it's polishing. It's a bit strange. I hope I pronounced that correctly. And there we go. Alright, I'm going to give this one a sniff just to see if it smells anything. Not really. Can't really smell anything there, but it might be different once you've kind of got it going and on the hair. And it says a frizz fighting serum to condition, protect and help style hair. Well, I am so frizzy today. I wish I'd unboxed this yesterday. It says it's packaged in a bioplastic bottle made from sugarcane. It's 100% recyclable and manufactured in a sustainable, ethical way. I think so many more brands now are going towards that more eco-friendly, more sustainable, which is absolutely fabulous. We cannot keep using our planet like a rubbish bin or a trash can, because it's not. It's our home, and it's not only our home, it's many other species' homes, so we need to look after it. Rant over. It's got a bit of vitamin B5, vitamin A and citric acid, and it says you just apply a small amount to the mid-length and ends of tail-dried hair. Dry and style as required. So it's quite simple. So all I would do is just a little bit in my hands. I normally rub my hands together just to get it warmed up, get it moving, and then kind of go through. I will tend to avoid this area because serums can look heavy and make your hair look greasy. And if you've just washed it, you don't want it looking greasy. Right, the second to last item. Ooh, this was a sneaky peek from not last month's box, but the box before, and it was supposed to have gone in last month's box, but it didn't, and I was so disappointed and I slated it. I do apologise, Look Fantastic. Thank you very much for popping it in this box. They probably had trouble getting the stock. And this is the Espa 24-hour replenishing eye moisturiser. I do love an eye cream. We tend to get a lot of them in subscription boxes, which can be rather annoying sometimes. But you know, I'm starting to run low, so this has come at a good time. And that is what it looks like. It just looks like your bog standard kind of eye cream. But it rubs in more like a serum. And that is, oh, yeah, there's a lot of fragrance in that. So if you are sensitive to fragrance, be careful. You know, especially around the eye area. I'm quite surprised. Fragrance around the eye area. But that smells, it does smell gorgeous. It smells nice. It's rubbed in really well. That doesn't feel sticky at all. It's just gone, which is fabulous. Love it. And it says it's a deeply nourishing and hydrating eye cream formulated with a variety of effective, kind to skin ingredients to replenish, protect and soothe the delicate eye area. Oh, Look Fantastic. That was one long sentence. Blimey, let me breathe. It has evening primrose, jojoba oil worked together to intensely moisturise for eyes that appear refreshed and youthful. And it has myrrh, frankincense. Oh, that's probably what I can smell. It's a bit like a Christmassy kind of feel to it, isn't it? Neroli, ginkgo biloba, I think, evening primrose and jojoba oil. I'm so sorry if I absolutely mashed that to pieces. And it says you gently tap a small amount under the eyes and up to the brow bone every morning and evening after cleansing. And yeah, that smells gorgeous. The scent is kind of backing away now. Sorry, it sounded like someone was coming through my door. Yeah, the scent is kind of backing away now. But, you know, that's rubbed in lovely. So I'm looking forward to trying that. And the last item is the Dr. Lipp Tint. It's 100% natural and it's derived from red radish pigment. Ooh, that's cool. I like radishes. I really like them on my salad. I don't know if I'm going to like them on my lips, but we'll give this a go. Oh, there we go. Wow. I have just squeezed out way too much, but look at the pigment on that. It's a shame I got Lippy on, otherwise I would have applied it. Yeah. Look at that. Doesn't smell like radishes though, which is kind of good. And I've just realised I actually don't have a wipe, so I'm going to have sticky radish fingers for a moment. And it says it's a hydrating tinted lip balm that glides over the lips to deliver moisture as well as a pop of colour with 100% natural ingredients. 100% natural ingredients list. There we go. For a smoother pout. It's got lanolin in it. Can never say that. And the plant pigment, like I said, is red radish, and it says you smooth onto the lips throughout the day as often as needed. And there's a top tip, and it says apply to the cheeks and or eyelids for a glossy pop of colour. Now, I've never popped a product like that on the eyelids, but I do occasionally pop it on the cheeks because it looks, I really like it, and I think a multitasking product is fabulous. And as I keep saying, just because, you know, you've got a lipstick and it says it's a lipstick doesn't mean you can't use it anywhere else. So absolutely gorgeous. I have a new mug. I'm really pleased. My partner bought it for me. I love eel, so I'm just going to have a mouthful of tea because I'm feeling a bit dry. Oh, good tea. So what did you think of this month's box? Wow, I liked it. I'm getting a bit tougher on these boxes because they are becoming quite repetitive, but I like that. We've got a mixture of everything. I can't wait to try the eye cream, even though it is fragranced, but I can't wait to try it. And the lip tint seems really nice. Oh, and before I forget, it's sitting under here. Look Fantastic sent me through a sample as well. This came in a separate envelope, which I thought was really nice. And it says the Look Fantastic Eau Thermale from Avene, soothing by nature. And you've got kind of like a discount code here, as well as your product. And it says it has an aqua gel texture, and it's a moisturiser. You can use it day or night as a mask, and it's got kind of like directions there. So I was really pleased to see this in the post. I was like, oh, what are they sending me mail for? So thank you very much, Look Fantastic. I can't wait to try that. Very, very pleased. Right, there's enough of me waffling on. But like I said, it was an absolute lovely box, and you've got a wide range of products. There is a makeup item in there. You've got your skincare, you've got your tools, yeah, hair care. They've covered all bases, and I think that is what a subscription box should do. You should get, you know, a wide range of different kind of products for you to try. Well, thank you for joining me again today, and I hope to see you again soon. In the meantime, lovelies, please take care. Bye-bye.